Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. It's lunchtime, so it's like half the day's already gone. I work from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. I don't know if I ever told anybody that. So yeah, by the time we hit noon, when it's lunchtime, I have a lunch hour, thankfully. Literally half the day's gone by and all I've done is drink coffee. So speaking of, drink a Starbucks cup of the day. I gotta go get a refill. Yeah, no. So this day has pretty much just been work. And now we're here at the lunch break, and I'm going to spend the lunch hour doing the fragrance tray because it's overdue. We've got the leftovers from, oh God, I think it's over a week. Yeah, it was the week before Thanksgiving that we did this tray. So got the Fendi samples, got the new Hermes fragrance to talk about. Yeah, so let's head over there and talk about those. Pick out a new tray for the week. Get ourselves on. Poppy has been very, segue here real quick, sidebar real quick, is she's been very aggressive the last couple of weeks. I mean, crazy aggressive that we were actually contemplating that maybe this wasn't the right fit after all, and trying to figure out what to do because she's been just really vicious with not just pickles, but like me, or like if we try to separate them, she's just been kind of just acting out, and I don't know what's going on. But anywho, well, we've got some things to take care of with that. So we just, yeah, it's a lot. So if you hear her being a little loud, she's very cute and all, but there's times where she's just becoming a lot. And it's, again, that I'm not used to Chihuahuas, I guess. So the Chihuahua personality is not my, not what I was expecting. I thought there was going to be a lot more pug. And then now she's calm. So I don't know what's going on. So anyway, I'm digressing. Hope if you did Cyber Monday shopping, it was successful. Mine wasn't so much. I only found a couple items, but I didn't find the Christmas lights. So I need to figure something out with part of the house that's not lighting up. So it means tearing down and redoing the roof, just using the lights lower down. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get lucky and find a restock or something, or a return. Who knows? But that just makes me sad because it's my favorite thing to do, is to have the house decorated and look at. So just kind of a downer for the start of the season. Anyway, let's go get the fragrance tray. Let's pick out new fragrances. That should make me a little bit happier. And let's talk about what I think about those two fragrances from Fendi. All right, we're over here at the fragrance counter. And War Holiday, did enjoy that, as we always do. It's a very lovely, fresh scent. I was going to say spicy, but I think it's just more fresh. I just love it's crisp. It's a crisp scent. That's what it is. This one, I liked it, but it's not one of my favorites from House of Sillage. It's definitely more of a warmer weather type of scent. It was fine. It just, I don't know why I was in the mood for it. It was okay on the tray with the way things worked out. I guess before we get to Fendi, let's talk about the new Hermes ones. This has got to be one of my new favorite scents, the Vetiver Tonka. I wore this like at least 3 days. It's been a while since this tray has been out. This, I really like this scent. It has just a nice, it still smells clean, but it's just, I don't know, something about it just, it reminds me a little bit of this. I get the same type of essence from the Holiday and the Vetiver Tonka. It's just a very nice, it's crisp, but still comforting. I don't know, something about it just, I really like these two. So really glad to have added this one to my collection. All right, let's get to the Fendis. So we've got Pequeno and I believe Ciao Amore, if I remember correctly, right? Yes, Ciao Amore. I like them both. I like Ciao Amore more. I definitely like the fig. I like the orange blossom. It's got tonka in it. It's more my type of scent. This one's spicy and it's nice, but I don't know why it kind of has an interesting reaction with my body chemistry. I didn't care for the way it smelled on me. I liked it how it smelled like just on, like I usually spread it like on a little card. Like how it smells neutrally, I like it better than how it reacts with my body chemistry. It tends to get a little bit too almost musky on with me. I want to describe it as BO, but it's like it kind of turned like BO on me. Like I didn't like the way I smelled with it, even though I liked the fragrance. And again, fragrance is subjective and it can change depending on your body chemistry, your reaction, how you react to it can also change. So it could smell completely different on someone else. But on me, while I liked it, like I said, in the bottle, I liked it on paper, I liked it on the initial spray. After about 6-7 hours, I did not like how it smelled on my skin. Side note, the smell of it, the scent of it reminded me of a boss I had like 25 years ago. So this scent is very familiar. I cannot remember for the life of me what the brand of perfume was that she wore, but all I could picture was like, oh, this was Sharon's scent from 25 years ago, and I obviously she's passed on and no longer someone I can talk to and ask what was your fragrance from 25 years ago. But it's funny how I remember that. I'm like, oh, I know this scent. So I'm almost on a like hunt to figure out what it is like, and maybe while I'm editing, if I can do Google search and see what's similar or what this reminds people of, I will find it. But it was just kind of funny that popped up. So again, at the end of these two, I would prefer Ciao Amore of the two in this group, but they're still fine fragrances. It's just not for me. But I know other people like Pequeno and it works on their body and it's not a bad fragrance. It's just not for my particular chemistry. So let's pick out some new scents. All right, we've got the tray of the week. And we've got 3 fragrances to test out this week. I'm going to start first with, it's work week, so we've got the Wood Sage and Sea Salt for going in the office. Going to pop over here to Orchidee Vanille, which is a staple vanilla fragrance. Okay, so we're going to start with the new ones. We've got the Hermes, Osmanthe, and Yunnan. I don't remember the notes off the top of my head. I'm going to put them on the screen. But I definitely like in the bottle, it smelled really good in the store. So excited to try that one out for the week. And then for Fendi, I brought out, and I know there's a couple samples that she wasn't able to get. I think Casa Grande was one of them, and I can't remember the other one, but there's so many. And I think we're thankful so much for getting me what she can. I still think I'm going to go ahead and get that sampler set, but I just definitely want to try this out. So this one is the Prima Terra. And then this one is La Baguette. Prima Terra is going to be the more earthy smelling one. I still like the notes in it, but I'm really excited about La Baguette. And the one I just mentioned, Casa Grande, I've looked up the notes of that one, and I think I would love that one for sure. So I don't even think I need a sample of it to know that I would like it. But yeah, no, and I feel like I'm jinxing myself for saying that I'm anticipating this one to be one I love because it's a vanilla. And then this one is a more earthy one, but I will be surprised likely. This is the tray of the week. I'm excited to try everything out, and we'll see next week where we are after trying everything. Hey, Steph.
Yes, dear.
What time is it?
Advent calendar time?
It's Advent calendar time.
What do you think, Pickles?
Advent calendar time, Mama. And we're here.
Oh, okay. Well, so the Sleepy Lychee was pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't buy it, but if someone wanted to give me some for free, I wouldn't say no. So. So it was okay, but not great. Anyway, number 2. This one is called... What is this one called?
The container looks bigger.
Yeah, it's the same size.
Is it? Okay.
This is Organic Orange Spice. I'm guessing that that's a black tea, so I won't be having it tonight.
Okay.
Have that for breakfast tomorrow, probably. All right. Swing. I guess we'll just move left to right here. There's number 2 here. On your C's. This is your C's, right? Okay. So yours is now... It looks like it's dark chocolate. It looks like it's got what looks like salt on the outside. So this is probably a salted caramel sort of thing. All right, so that's day 2 for the C's. Okay, 2 over here. 12 Days of Luxury Beauty. This is... I'm not sure what this is. Okay, Lancome Absolue, the eye cream.
Oh, nice.
It's the eye cream.
B.
Accept no substitutes. This is the eye cream.
That's nice. I've used that brand.
Okay, good.
Enjoy.
Okay, and then go ahead with the... Stay. Oh, this one's mine, yeah. This is my... Where is... There's 2. Okay.
It's almost time, Mamas.
Where is it? There. Okay. Okay, so I got them lined up this time. Saying for the benefit of those playing the home game.
What'd you get? We didn't show the...
It's a little white chocolate heart with don't know what's inside.
I think it's praline.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, last year I got them, and pretty sure.
Now the dogs. Okay, where did this open? There. Okay. Number 2. Where's number 2? There. Okay.
What are we getting? Are you excited, Mama?
Oh, okay. This looks promising. This looks like the kind of cookies they like. They like the frosted cookies, right? Blep. Are you blepping?
It is way over there.
All right.
What you doing, Papa? You're fighting over there?
Okay, so I gotta break off a couple of little pieces off of this. Wow. This is thick. It's hard to break. Oh, okay, there we go. Piece for you. Piece for you. Piece for you. Come on, Pickle. What?
You don't like it, Mama?
It's a yummy frosted cookie. How about you, Boo? Yummy frosted cookie. Oh, she didn't like it either. They're all kind of leaving it behind.
He just stealthily. Okay.
Oh, no, he's going for it.
I guess I'll take that.
Oh, it's a cookie.
Hey, eat your cookie, Mama.
Okay, well, while they're dithering over that.
Bamboo's happy.
Oh, that's right. This one is in linear fashion.
Bamboo's ecstatic.
Just noticing there's different dog breeds here, but I don't see a purg. I see a what looks like. Oh, that is okay. I see that Frenchie there. Oh, okay, more. Oh, freeze. I guess it's the same thing every day. Freeze-dried chicken dog treats. So it's like those kids' advent calendars with the same piece of chocolate in the. And there's 5 pieces, which is good.
Pickles finally got excited. covered in frosting.
Yeah, it's rubbed off on my fingers there. Oh, here. Hey, Boo? Ready? Oh, buddy, you're supposed to catch it.
He's like, but why? They're just going to hand it to him.
Right. Oh, nice try, buddy. You go, Pickle.
All right.
I think that's it for the calendars, right?
Yes. And the dogs seem to like the freeze-dried treats even more.
Yeah, that's just freeze-dried chicken.
All right, so that's a wrap on day 2. The bark box is definitely throwing us up this year.
Yeah.
The girls, well, now that they're going for it. So
Yeah, they're going for them
they're
now.
just, you know, feeling things out at this point. So
I've got cookie frosting all over my hand.
wash your hands.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Day 3.
Bye.
Bye.
Counting down. So in this